INAudio is pleased to present Getting Started in Options by Michael C. Thomsett, read by Nelson Runger. Introduction. An investment with many faces. Most people recognize and understand some types of investments. Stocks, mutual funds, and real estate, for example, are widely popular forms of investment. And so many people take part in them, in one form or another, that a common knowledge exists that is easily available. These investments are generally accepted as good investments, engendering a sense of legitimacy among investors. When first thinking about investing, people usually turn to the stock market and consider buying stocks directly or through mutual funds. Some new investors are so comfortable with what they believe about the stock market that they are unaware of its risks. Those risks can be learned and managed, however, by using the services of a stockbroker or financial advisor. Just as well-informed investors make markets healthier and better for everyone involved, poorly informed investors make markets unhealthy and dangerous. When investors don't understand markets, those markets cannot thrive. Successful markets depend more than anything else on informed, educated investors who know the risks they face and who understand not only the potential for profit, but also the potential for loss. For example, smart investors in the stock market have profit goals and bailout points, the point at which they will cut their losses. They know realistically that they stand to win or to lose, and they approach risk with a complete understanding of how much they can afford. They diversify among several investments rather than risking everything in one place, and they educate themselves by reading and keeping up to date with changing trends. Some markets are too exotic for mainstream tastes. They may contain risks that are too high, require too much capital, or depend on too much technical knowledge for the average investor. Only a small number of knowledgeable specialists can participate successfully in such markets. Certain markets fall somewhere in between these extremes. They're not broadly understood like stocks or real estate, yet with knowledge, many investors can find ways to participate profitably and manage risks.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?